Hello guys! It's our last date tonight. See you when I see you guys. Hoy! Mapapanis yan. Ayun, ito, ano na kami na yan. Tapos na kami mag-pull out at yung iba ay nadala na. Tchadan! Ayun sa Ate Chichi.
Meron ka manubela, meron
You
ka.
know?
Ay, gusto ko!
Ten, 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 ten.
So, goodbye, guys!
Hindi ko kayo mamimiss. Hello! Ang puputi nyo ah. Ang puti ni Tatot.
Sa light yan, mami, oh.
My pregnant manager.
Sexy. Time check. Anong oras na?
It's 10:30.
10:30. Nandito pa rin kami. Nagmamaganda. Nagmamaganda pa din.
Ito na maganda, nag-happy. Buwan na tayo.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone in that.
Pauwi na kami. Ako lang pala, sila'y mag-iinom.
Bye-bye!
Ito ko sa labas sa Tagate na sasakyan. Ako'y mauuna na dahil sila ay mag-iinom. Ako hindi pwede dahil bungkak. Tsaka may pasok ako bukas. Sila ay walang pasok dahil lahat sila ay day off. Okay. Good luck sa inyo guys. Magpakabait kayo kung saan kayo mapapunta ha. Huwag nyo ipapaya ang kaya BGC. Dali kayo sa akin.
Ako na yung rider mo, ma'am.
Hindi ko alam. Nawawala na ako. Okay, bye. Picture muna tayo. 1, jury. 1, 2, 3. Tumingin ka.